I'm Monica Khosla Bhargava, founder and principal architect of Kham Consultants, an architecture and interior design firm. Today I'll be discussing my villa project, The Rock. The Rock Villa, designed over 4 floors and occupying an area of 9,600 square feet, is located on a 475 square meter plot in New Alipur, a posh residential neighborhood in Kolkata. The 40 feet access road is to the south of the plot. In Kolkata's hot and humid climate, the south is the preferred direction for a house to open to. This permits the southern breeze to flow through the space and provide relief from the exhausting humidity. Natural light was brought in here from the east through the glass wall of the stair hall and the deep narrow niches in the western wall. Eastern light is soft, cool and welcome as it doesn't add to the heat load. So we used a generous wall glazing for the staircase. On the other hand, the western light adds to the Kelvin of the space, so we restricted it to these sleek niches. Also, these combined with the narrow windows of the toilets formed the west facade feature externally. The ground floor being reserved for parking and services, we started the spatial story of this villa around the central void in the living room on the first floor. Walls are what generally divide spaces, but here we designed the 36 feet high west wall as the unifying force between the family, the space, and the different architectural styles. This was like an internal courtyard linking the 3 floors and also acting as the vertical core of light in the house. Internally, this western rock wall is clad in a textured travertine marble. To take this narrative one step further, we created an installation of copper sculptures to highlight the sleek light vents, and they bind the volume of the space. The clients felt that natural light in the house was abundant. They requested that we cast the roof slab and do away with the skylight. Now the topmost guy in the sculpture series was designed to look up through the skylight. Once the slab was cast, we decided to create a dramatic faceted ceiling to look up to. The living room extended to a more friendly casual seating on the north and the dining on the south. This open expanse from south to north creates a horizontal axis of ventilation in the house and, combined with the vertical core of light, makes the house airy, well lit and comfortable. There is a spacious open kitchen adjacent to the dining. The glass shutters were added so that they could be used to keep air conditioning effective on days of intense cooking. Coming to the peaceful corner of this floor. When the mind becomes the space, a temple is created. With this concept in mind, we designed the meditation room in the northeast. The single leaf, the Gayatri mantra in a circular format, and the Purna Kalash motifs on the walls combined to create the spiritual symbology of this space. Moving on to the balance of the different styles in the house. Basically, the house was designed in a contemporary style. To blend in with the classic, we brought in the classical polygon shape in the void and then repeated it in the staircase. The only Art Deco element we added was the decorative balustrade running through the house to harmonize with their Art Deco collection of furniture. The clients had approached us with a brief of creating a contemporary house. We were putting our thoughts together when we received a call from the client's father to come over and check out the existing furniture that they would like to incorporate in the new place. All intricately carved batali pieces in the Art Deco style. Now we were faced with a new challenge, balancing the contemporary with the Art Deco. The second floor houses a bedroom suite for the senior generation, a guest room, study, and a home spa. The third floor has rooms for the children and a master suite. All these are linked by the open atrium so that everyone has their own private space and yet feel connected to each other. The home spa is one such space at the Rock where our clients can unwind. Use the jacuzzi, get a massage, pedicure, hair colored, or your mehndi done. Another place to chill is the terrace garden with its romantic pergolas and a cabana that makes it such a fun place to relax with your family or have friends over. On the ground floor, the boundary walls of the plot are landscaped with vertical green walls, and this, combined with the small outdoor garden, car parking space, and the granite-clad driveway, make for a lush, bright space where, when needed, the clients can entertain a larger group. A house is an aspiration, a dream for a family, in most cases, a multi-generation family. And as architects, we become a part of the journey of fulfilling this dream.